Everyday Science MCQs of Biology, Chemistry, Physics and Atmospheric. Part 4. The great spot is on the planet. A. Saturn. B. Venus. C. Mars. D. Jupiter. Correct answer is Jupiter. The planets visible to us without using a telescope are A3, B4, C5, D6. Correct answer is 5. Biosensor is used to measure A. Blood glucose level. B. The body pH value. C. Amount of hemoglobin. D. Salinity in urine. Correct answer is blood glucose level. What is dry ice? A. Solid oxygen. B. Solid carbon dioxide. C. Solid hydrogen. D. Solid nitrogen. Correct answer is solid carbon dioxide. Digestion of food is completed in the A. Small intestine. B. Large intestine. C. Stomach. D. Liver. Correct answer is small intestine. Carrot is good source of vitamin. A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin B. C. Vitamin C. D. Vitamin D. Correct answer is vitamin A. Meteorology is the study of A. Seasons. B. Atmosphere. C. Air and sounds. D. Winds and clouds. Correct answer is atmosphere. The carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, by volume, is A. 0.039%, B. 3.9%, C. 13%, D. 30%. Correct answer is 0.039%. Thanks for watching.